Friends, I'm very much happy and excited here in Nedirupu Surubam, the heritage capital of Zamurian Raja of Calicut. Here we have with us Professor Harris. Harris is a native of Nedirupu itself in Kondoti, and he's the professor of the Department of Education of Aligarh Muslim University, and he is writing every word in Nedirupu, and he is making an official theme song for the Nedirupu Surubam. For that, now we are there in Kudira Maliya, that is the heritage residence of Valyapuka, a charter member of the Nedirupu Surubam Heritage Foundation, and also he is the present vice chairman or vice president of OICC, Overseas Indian Cultural Congress, and he is the founder member of the OICC, and also he's a great leader. His house is very proud, and he is keeping all the privileges. Backside of his residence is this Samudiri Tara. It's called Kovila Parambu, Kolothu Parambu. It's colloquially known as. Okay, yes. Yes, very view, and today Haris sir is visited all across there. He is the director of research of Chamber of Education in New Delhi, and he is making a new theme song for the Nedirupu Surubam. Okay, sir, you can tell
I'm
about it.
Harris Chundakadan. Now we have to open a new door of our culture or tradition. You see here lots and lots of culture and tradition. Nowadays it is our culture or personal identities have more importance, and we have lot of things we have to explore here. More than textbooks and notebooks, it can't explain anything. But from the ground realities, from the soil where our culture is developed, we know our ancestors, so many things also there. We have to find out the real roots and soil from the society and from the people. That is a ground level research we need. And I would like to tell you one more thing. We are writing a beautiful song for Nedirupu. Nedirupu is more than its name. It has its culture, it has its history, and it has its all types of experiences. So I am very happy because as an educationist, as an historical student, history student, I am very happy. As a native of Kondoti also, you know Kondoti, it has its own history. We have our own legends, we have our own culture, and we have our own ancestors also.
Yeah, certainly to preserve our culture is our fundamental duties as we are Indians, To preserve our culture is very much important, like to preserve our constitution, That is why this Valyapoka, it's literally mean as the godfather, no? People popularly call him as Valyapoka, and is Pulikal Ahmad. He made this Pulikal Chambagesheri a very traditional way,
Utensils.
Yeah, this. Okay, yeah. Lot of monuments here. Even the pictures, paintings, then every look and corner of the house is so traditional. He loved the culture, and he's yeah. That's why people even they really love this one. Okay. Anyway, it is the high time we have to realize the values of culture and tradition. You know that Nadirpu has the Surubam has that much vigor and that much capacity, no?
Yes.
You know about the culture?
Yeah,
Whatever.
of course. It's a lot of things to explore. We have know something, but it is very little. We have to explore more.
Today, in our panel discussion of the Chamber of Education, when we are designing, especially this the place, the tradition itself, backside of this Pulikal Chambagasheri, where this Samudiri Tara, the people called him Samudiri Tara. Yeah, a lot of things, lot of monuments here in the house. Then house
Small
is
elements
just
are-
like a wonder.
See, these are small elephants.
Yeah.
You can just show.
Yeah,
this.
yes. Like everywhere, he's keeping this traditional, gramophone. Yeah. Earlier, we conducted our Fursato conference here that Advocate Kavida, the School of Legal Studies of Kannur University, she inaugurated the same, and we made a good documentation that day. And today we are celebrating this Dr. M.G.S. Narayanan's birthday.
Same time, he is a patriotic.
As part, MGS is very much happy in this particular birthday itself. We give a memento that says the one of a cherished dream of Dr. M.G.S. Narayanan, the chief patron of Nediripa Surubam National Heritage Foundation. That MGS, last time, when MGS came to Nediripa and he planted 89 trees in memory of his birthday. Yeah, that time, MGS asked to the media and public to have a monument for Nediripa, and this, his birthday itself, we fruitful that one. And thanks to, special thanks and privilege to Valyapuka, then Pulikal Ahmad Sahib, and he's selected for a monument, a great monument, a house, traditional house. It's called Patmalayam to make a pedagogic garden.
Yes,
it's called a pedagogic museum.
Yes,
How it is relevant for education? He's the Harish sir is the research officer of Chamber of Education, and also he's the professor of the education department of Aligarh Muslim University. He will tell about what is the relevance for a pedagogic museum. That is something different.
Yes, actually, Edgar Dale, a famous educationalist, he says that the chalk and talk method is not a good method. More than that, direct contrived experience has giving much more learning experience. That means directly we are going and explore to the field. That is why more than the lecture, we are lecturing many things. But more than the lecture, when we are going for a project, it has more important. So we have to go to field, and like a source method, source method means what? Real source. We are going to real source, and after that we are analyzing the source. Students are explain all these things, and with their cognition, with the support of supervisors, they can explore much more. Because we are entirely different one. That is why actually these types of things, it has a valuable means. It is worth, we can't count in price. That is
even though you can see this, it's a boat. Actually, it's a boat now. But this boat, when it is there in the pedagogic museum, this will be a pedagogic. It's called apparatus for the children.
Yes.
Yeah, Montessori apparatus like that. The students can learn from this one. It's about seed boat. Earlier, there is a practice. It's called Vittu Vallam.
Yes.
Yeah, seeds are traditionally preserved in a boat like that. And even the children, it's a Chundan Vallam, and they are related. It's called the integration. And his research area under the Calicut University is doing a research. It's about angered instruction. That is the post-pandemic schooling. That is angered instruction. What about that, sir?
Actually, we have to find much more things and ways in this pandemic particularly, because our traditional things are there. We have to find out. And
Earlier, para is using for measuring the rice. Para is not only a vessel, not only a tool, it's a culture also.
Yes, of course.
When the para is full in it's called the spring happens.
We can see
and Patayam para, even the, Mankava. Here this Mankava is a place here. Mankade also, there is a place like this, all that monuments. And this house is really a wonder, and we are recommending this house to be accredited as a heritage palace. It's a showcasing palace of our culture. Yeah. How you feel, sir, about the house?
Yes, it is very wonderful, because we can see many houses are there, much amount, crores and crores are we are spending. But these types of a man who is behind it is very much appreciable.
And the back side of this house that is the place for the Kolothu Parambu and Samudiri Tara. Yeah, that is a traditional history we have to rework. We have to rediscover everything. Anyway, thank you so much. We will be updating a lot of heritage things. Thank you for a heritage ride and heritage walk here in the divine fertile land of this culture, nestled under the historic beauty of this Malabar. Thank you.
Okay, signing off, Harris Tunda Cardinals.
Thank you so much.